This assignment, you'll learn how to perform sentiment analysis. Import the required pandas library and the class string from nltk.corpus. Also import stopwords, which have to install as part of the environment setup. Next, get the IMDb Movie Review data collection with the help of pandas library. Here, the /t indicates that the data in the IMDb dataset is tab separated or tab delimited, and sep function takes it as a parameter. Also, comment is a feature which is the text present in the dataset, and label is the response or category of the comment. Now to view the records of the IMDb comment collection. The .head method is used to view the topmost records in a dataset. To view more information about the IMDb dataset, use the describe function. You can also apply the info method to gain more insight into data. To view the IMDb collection according to responses, apply the describe method and execute the group by function on label column. It will provide the statistical summary with the label such as count, unique, top, and frequency. The collection displays a list of comments. To verify the length of the comment, pass length as an argument inside the parentheses. This is a basic pandas operation syntax to add columns to pandas data frame. Now to check the earlier passed argument on length, view the first 5 comments with length. It will display the comment, label, and length of the IMDb Movie Review collection. Now try to view the first comment which has length greater than 50 and index position 0 using simple pandas operation functions. Start text processing with Vectorizer. Use the Count Vectorizer class to convert the collection of text documents to a matrix of tokens. This assigns a numeric value to each word present in the text. This class is imported from the feature extraction text library of sllearn. Next, let's define a function to remove the stopwords from the comments. Create a user-defined function to eliminate the stopwords. So, first use string class punctuation to remove all the punctuations present in each message. Next, verify that the function is working by applying the custom function message text process and view the first 5 comments with the .head method. Next, try to import the text to a numerical feature vector by using the technique bag of words. Use bag of words by applying the function and fit the comments into it. You can do this by creating an object bag of words and then vectorize or assign numeric values to them by fitting the comments data using fit method. Print the length of bag of words stored in the vocabulary attribute. Store bag of words for comments using the transform method. Next, apply the TF-IDF transformer and fit the transformed bag of words into it. TF means term frequency, while TF-IDF means term frequency times inverse document frequency. This is a common term weighing scheme in information retrieval. First, we fit the bag of words in the transformer using the TD-IDF transformer instance, and then we use the transform method. It actually transforms a count matrix to a TF or TF-IDF representation. Print the transformer shape. To detect sentiment, we'll use the naive Bayes model and fit the transformer data into it. Once you fit the transformed TF-IDF comment and response into the model, you can go ahead and try to predict the response for the given comment. Now, get the first comment index 0 by passing the index position for the comment, and then transform that comment as bag of words using the transform function. Then again apply the TF-IDF transformation using the TF-IDF transform function. Try to predict the response using the predict method of the model, and then check the actual value present for the first comment in the dataset. As you can see, the predicted value matches the actual value. So that proves that the text processing algorithm and model are working properly. Let's now quickly recap what we have learned in the lesson. Natural language processing is an automated way to understand, analyze human languages, and extract information from such data by applying machine learning algorithms. There are various approaches of natural language processing to analyze text data which are interdependent or can be independently applied in a document. There are two feature extraction techniques, which are text feature extraction and image feature extraction. A data load object is required to load content in a dataset. Pipeline building can be used to streamline the NLP process into stages. Grid search mechanism is used to perform exhaustive search on the best parameters that impact the model. This concludes the lesson on natural language processing with sllearn. In the next lesson, we'll learn about data visualization in Python with matplotlib and Bokeh.